So Teresa, how does cleaning with active oxygen work?
Well, oxygen bubbles are produced when water is added to an oxidizing agent, an eco-friendly alternative to the harsh bleaches. These oxygen bubbles help to break down dirt, stains, and odors. Oxygen brightens and whitens your whites and is even safe on the color-fast fabrics in your laundry.
So Teresa, what's the purpose of enzymes in this cleaner?
Yes, my favorite question. There are 4 concentrated enzymes in the Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster. Each of these enzymes will attack and microscopically chop up the different types of organic stains. One enzyme is protease, which works on protein-based stains like meats, grasses, milk, sweat, and blood. The next enzyme is amylase. It works on the starchy stains like potatoes, corn, spaghetti, baby food, and sauces. Also, Bright and White Laundry contains mayonnaise, which works on the gum-like stains found in a lot of the processed foods and even in a lot of beauty products. Last and certainly not least is cellulase. Cellulase works on keeping the stains from redepositing back on your clothes.
So how do the enzymes work with the active oxygen in this formula?
So the active oxygen bubbles and the enzymes in the Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster work perfectly together to create a comprehensive cleaning power. While it brightens whites and colors, it's cleaning your laundry thoroughly. The enzymes will help break down organic stains, while simultaneously the oxygen bubbles lift and remove the stains, or vice versa. That's the great thing about how these Norwex laundry products work in harmony with each other. It really is based on your preferences, your laundry needs. If you want to pre-treat a really nasty stain, then I would recommend using the Norwex new and improved stain remover. It's perfect for that, and they all work so well together.
So how did you formulate this particular product?
Well, first we focused on what was so frustrating about laundry. I mean, let's be honest, stains are the worst, but the dinginess and the dullness is very frustrating too. We want clothes to stay looking fresh, colorful, new, and to help the fabrics last longer. We are mindful that our ingredients come from natural sources, which helps us to achieve our new bio-based standards. We are searching for eco-friendly workhorse ingredients. These ingredients are known for their cleaning ability, like oxygen bubbles that we've discussed, and the enzymes, but we also added acetic acid, which you may know as apple cider vinegar. In addition to developing this formula with sustainable materials, we also achieved optimal performance even in cold water cycles. This helps the environment by reducing energy.
So how is this product able to do both stain removal and the total whitening and brightening of fabrics and also surfaces?
One of the best things about Bright and White is its versatility. Most of the powerful, eco-friendly cleaning ingredients can be used on multiple surfaces. We were very mindful that the level of the ingredients we used are safe enough to clean and remove stains powerfully from many different fabrics as well as many different surfaces around your house. The key to Bright and White's laundry success is the synergy between the oxygen bubbles and the enzymes. The oxygen bubbles lift and remove the stains, and the enzymes help break down the stains and keep them from redepositing back onto your clothes.
So what product or products would you recommend using this particular product with?
Yes, great question. When using Liquid Laundry Ultra Power Plus and the new Eco Wash laundry strips, we recommend you give your laundry a good boost with the Bright and White. It also works very well with the new laundry stain remover. Honestly, it's so versatile. You can even mix Bright and White with water in a Norwex Forever bottle for total cleaning on so many surfaces throughout your home.
Teresa, thank you so much for all of this information. I know everyone is going to find it so helpful as they're looking through our new products and picking out which ones are the perfect ones for their homes.
You're so welcome.